Hello friends, welcome back to alfastechz. And today in this video, I am going to showing that how to free up more space in your device. And by using this method, you can free up more space in your device without deleting your photos or any application or any other folders. And without wasting our time, now let's move to the video. And now let's see how to free up more space in your device. And at first you need to download an application, and the app link is given below the video description. And after downloading the application, just open the application in your device. And after opening the application, they will ask the permission for your storage, and you want to just click allow from here. And after that you can see this is the app interface we have going to use today. And you can see option cram it option from here, and you want to just select this cram it option from here. And after that you can see new interface start option, and you can see pick the photos you want to carve. And you want to just select start from here. And after that you can see auto delete disabled, and you can see reduced images will be added to your cram it folder, and you must manually delete the original images to free space. And here you want to select yes option from here. And after that you can see all the image folders has been showing here, and all the images in your gallery will appear here. And you want to select one of the folder or images which you want to compress or free up your more space. And here I am selecting one of the images from here, and you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of the images has been selected here, and you want to select all the images in one click. You can select a option from here, select all from in the below of this application. And here I am selecting 6 of the images for showing you. And after that you can see option cram it option in the below of this select all, and you want to just select this cram it from here. And after that you can see your picture are ready, and you can find them in cram it folder in your picture gallery. And you can see this of the procedures of this application, and you can see 2 of the option in this below of this option, and you can see delete original images and keep original images. And you want to select this delete original images from here. And after that you can see are you sure you want to delete the original images, and you want to select delete enable auto delete option from here. And you can see share reduces photo, and you want to select no thanks. And now our images has been completely compressed by this application. And now let's go back and just open the gallery and just selecting back. And after that this is the albums, and you can see other albums, and just scroll down. And you can see our folder has been created in the top of this other albums option. You can see cram it, and want to just select this option, and you can see this is high quality images has been showing here, and you can see high quality image with low MB size, and you can see low MB sized, and we have been compressed our high quality images or high sized MB file into a small sized file. And you can see we can check out how many is the file size, and you can see details. And you can see this is the file size 1.115 KB is our image size has been converted to our image in our cram it application. And I hope you will enjoy our video, and if you like our video, please share your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.